3rd grade, Module 4 through 6 test. Number 1. Choose the number shown on the abacus. A. 13,418. B. 30,480. C. 13,480. D. 30,408. Number 2. How many times greater is the 4 in the thousands place than the 4 in the tens place in this number? Number 3. Choose the numbers shown by the arrow on the number line. A. 45,167. B. 45,440. C. 45,134. D. 45,178. Number 4. Round 23,406 to the nearest hundred. Choose the correct number. Show your thinking. A. 23,100. B. 20,000. C. 22,100. D. 23,400. Number 5. Choose the list which has all numbers in order from least to greatest. Number 6. Choose the fraction that tells how much is shaded. A. 1/4. B. 1/6. C. 2/6. D. 6/2. Number 7. On this number line, the distance from 0 to 1 is 1 whole. Choose the fractions shown by the arrow. A. 5/6. B. 4/6. C. 4/5. D. 5/5. Number 8. Each large square is 1 whole. Choose the shape that shows 5/8 shaded. Number 9. 1/4 of 24 is blank. Show your thinking. Number 10. On this number line, the distance from 0 to 1 is 1 whole. Choose the fractions shown by the arrow. A. 1/2. B. 1/4. C. 1/6. D. 1 whole. Number 11. Choose the answer that is the same amount as 3/4. A. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. B. 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. C. 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4. D. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. Number 12. Choose the fraction that is the same as 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. A. 1/8. B. 3/8. C. 5/8. D. 8/5. Number 13. 3 friends enter the same race. Carol has run 5/6 of the distance. Clyde has run 3/4 of the distance. And Tina has run 2/3 of the distance. Who is closest to the finish line? Choose the correct answer. Show your thinking. A. Carol. B. Clyde. C. Tina. D. They are all the same distance from the finish line. Number 14. Choose the number that completes this equation. 60 divided by 10 equals what? Show your thinking. A. 10. B. 6. C. 60, D. 600. Number 15. A student knows that 5 times 7 equals 35. Choose a division fact that they could use writing what they know. A. 35 divided by 7 equals 5. B. 7 divided by 35 equals 5. C. 5 divided by 7 equals 35. D. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. Number 16. Choose the fact that could help you figure out 12 divided by 2 equals 6. A. 3 times 4 equals 12. B. 2 times 6 equals 12. C. 10 plus 2 equals 12. D. 2 plus 10 equals 12. Number 17. Choose the true sentence about dividing by 4. A. Dividing by 4 is the same thing as having a number. B. Dividing by 4 is the same thing as doubling the number. C. Dividing by 4 is the same thing as having the number and then having again. D. Dividing by 4 is the same thing as doubling a number and then doubling again. Number 18. Use the double, double, double strategy to complete the diagram. Choose the number that completes your diagram. A. 7, 14, 14. B. 14, 21, 28. C. 14, 28, 56. D. 8, 16, 32. Number 19. Complete this equation. 8 times 1 equals A. 0. B. 8. C. 1. D. 9. Number 20. Complete this equation. 0 times 6 equals A. 6. B. 7. C. 1. D. 0. 21. There are 24 pencils in total. They were split into 6 groups of 4 pencils. Choose the equation that matches the problem. Show your thinking. A. 6 divided by 4 equals 24. B. 24 minus 6 minus 4 equals 14. C. 24 minus 6 plus 4 equals 22. D. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Number 22. Choose the number that does not belong in the group of even numbers. 42, 20, 38, 67. A. 42. B. 20. C. 38. D. 67. Number 23. Joel's book has 72 pages. If he reads 9 pages each day, how many days will it take him to finish his book? Choose the multiplication expression that solves this problem. A. 9 times 9. B. 9 times 10. C. 9 times 7. D. 9 times 8. Number 24. Chairs are placed in stacks of 6. One of the stacks is red. The others are blue. Choose the number of stacks that are needed to collect 42 chairs. A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. Number 25. Leon bought 8 bags of apples with 7 apples in each bag. Each bag of apples cost $3. How many apples did Leon buy in total? Number 26. Write the number that completes this equation. Show your thinking. Blank divided by 5 equals 4. A. 9. B. 1. C. 25. D. 20. Number 27. Choose the best sentence to classify this shape. A. The shape is a quadrilateral only. B. This shape is a rectangle only. C. This shape is a quadrilateral and a square. D. This shape is a quadrilateral and a rectangle. Number 28. Choose the answer that is wrong. A. A rhombus is a type of rectangle. B. Some rhombuses are squares. C. A rhombus is a type of quadrilateral. D. A rhombus has all equal sides. Number 29. Choose the true sentence. A. Shape A and B are both rhombuses. B. Shape A is a parallelogram and shape B is a trapezoid. C. Shape A is a rectangle and shape B is a trapezoid. D. Shape A and B are both parallelograms. Number 30. Choose the shape that does not show 1/4 shaded.